Hello everyone and welcome to another Stripe tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to find or create Stripe API keys. We are going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log in here in Stripe, and then you're going to click on Settings on the top right hand side. Then you're going to click Developers. And then here you're going to see Manage API keys. And right here, you can actually create secret keys. You can find your published key, or you can create restricted keys for any application. And that's all. That's how easy it is to find or create Stripe API keys. One more way to do exactly the same thing is to come here, use the search bar, type API keys. You can click here in this link, and you are going to go straight into the API keys option. And that's everything for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.